I bought a place, it was a great space, but the finishes were very dated. I really wanted to renovate the place and make it more modern. I knew it needed a lot of work, and I had no idea how to get started. I was referred to one contractor who I met with, and that process was not great. He wasn't super responsive, the bid seemed really high, so I was looking for alternatives. A friend actually referred me to BEYREP and said this is a great resource for finding a contractor, so I signed up. After having gone through this experience, I would say you cannot underestimate the importance of being matched with a pro who works well with you, someone who understands your needs, your vision, and where you may need additional support. That's one of the most unique and most important capabilities that BEYREP offers.
We've had a few jobs and the clients have been very good, top-notch clients. So it's worked out probably better than some of the other means of finding clients is through, say, cold calls.
Having never done a renovation before, I was really looking for someone who would be patient and kind of walk me through the process and give me good guidance.
To take this tired but functional space and create this beautiful, usable master bathroom that she can step into and call her own oasis.
By doing this renovation through BEYREP, it was really easy because it gives you a plan and it helps set your expectations. So not only do you go through the bidding process on the platform, but then you're able to see in detail each phase of your project, and you have access to it anytime, either on your mobile or on desktop, so it makes it really convenient and really easy to manage. You know, it's one thing to have a project going on while you're living in your home. It's another to be living somewhere else while the work is being done. So you might not be able to go to the site every day to check up on progress and talk to the crew. But with BEYREP, you know what's going on. So even if you're not there every day, you can see the work that's being done. Your project is broken out into phases. Each phase is associated with a payment. You deposit funds and they're held securely until work for that phase is complete. Then your pro requests payment. You're able to review the work, and once you're satisfied, you release funds, and you know exactly how much you're paying at each stage, and it makes the process really simple.
The best part is after we completed the project, she's happy with it, she's thrilled, and she's happy with the service that we provided.
I couldn't be happier with the way my project turned out. The place looks great. It's light and bright, and it really feels like home. If I had another project, I would absolutely go through BEYREP again.
Check out BEYREP. It will alleviate time, stress, and save you money.
I think actually they exceeded my expectations.